it's just cold outside.
Yeah, but I don't put air on down there because. Nice jacket, buddy.
Thanks.
Wow, that is super cute.
You never seen it?
Well, I haven't seen it since you bought it.
Oh, yeah, I love it. Okay, let your shoulders fall. And look up. You know the drill. Get out of the way. Someone commented that they really want to see an ankle adjustment on you with your shoes off. I'm like, I don't know if this is a foot fetish or... Wow.
I was like, oh, okay. Because they commented, they're like, when can you get that done? Can you get it done soon? I'm like, what the heck?
Get that done soon.
This is the ankle adjustment. I've done this like pretty much every video. But again, all I'm looking for is motion or lack of motion. So her a little bit more on this ankle is a little less mobile. So all I'm doing is taking it by the talus here, kind of twisting it towards me, distracting it, and then when I can kind of feel them let go, because sometimes they'll tense up, I'll do a little pull. And you get a little bit, you'll feel a little bit. Did you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And sometimes too, you'll get it like all the way up into the knee, into the hip. She has a little bit more stability, so stuff actually doesn't just like, doesn't distract as easily. There's a little bit, that one was a little bit higher than that one, so same thing, take it by the talus, rotate it in, distract, and do a quick little pull. And then sometimes too, you can get it in the midfoot too, and kind of come up to here. And that's basically all I do. Sometimes you can use the drop piece as well for like the navicular or the cuboid, certain little bones in the foot, but I don't have the drop piece right now, so I don't do much of that anymore. But you can always go in too and just kind of self-manipulate it, move them around. Okay, and then we'll get her neck. I almost think seated works better for you. Alright guys, so that is a quick full body adjustment. Someone requested the ankle adjustment, that's why I do it. I pretty much do that with just about everyone because it's a quick, easy check, and people really like it. It's like one of my favorite adjustments to get because it just feels good on opening up that ankle joint. So this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you for checking it out. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.